Hey, this is Richard with thewirelesshaven.com. Today we're going to talk about the NEXR5GO cellular hotspot gateway router. You obviously get the router. This router is a dual band Wi-Fi cellular gateway router with 100 megabit Ethernet ports, 4 Ethernet ports, and 1 WAN port. Also has a USB port for tethering hotspot modems to your phone if you want to share your cellular connection to your home Wi-Fi or Ethernet ports. You can do that through our firmware. It has a single 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi antenna connection and two 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connectors and 2 cellular internet connectors. These are for all of your antennas, which of course all come with the router. The cellular connections, the cellular antennas are 700 to 2700 megahertz omnidirectional antennas. And the Wi-Fi is a single 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi and 2 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi antennas. It also comes with a cellular modem hold down. This particular router has a mini PCIe cellular modem interface inside, and you'll need a screw to hold that modem down in place. You'll have to choose your modem that you want to use with the router as a separate purchase. The router does not come with a modem unless you purchase it in a bundle. You will have to install the modem inside here. Comes with the screw that you need. Inside for the cellular antennas here, there are 2 U.FL antenna connectors inside. This is supported by most all mini PCIe modems. Mini PCIe modems generally, with the exception of one that comes to mind, that LM960A18, every other modem other than that I know of that is a mini PCIe interface uses U.FL antenna connectors. That's what's inside this router. If you need to use an M.2 modem, you'll have to get an adapter similar to this one. We sell them. We have a few others as well that takes the mini PCIe connection and converts it to an M.2 modem connection. When you do this, there's two holes in each corner here. One of those is going to be used to hold down inside this router, and then you'll, of course, it comes with a screw on this one, hold down the modem to this adapter for M.2, and then you'll need to change these out. These are SMA female antenna connectors for the antennas, but on the inside is U.FL. Most M2 modems all use MHF4 antenna connectors, and so you'll have to replace these 2 pigtails here. We also have DC power supply. 12 volt DC power powers the NEXR5GO router. It comes with one. This one is a 2 amp power supply, good enough for modems up to about category 7. If you want to use a category 12 or higher modem inside the NEXR5GO router, you're going to need to probably get 2.5 to 3 amps or higher. We sell 4 amps in the store. That'll cover plenty for even the 5G modems, so forth. You can also power this particular router, the NEXR5GO, with, and it's stated on the label on the bottom here, with 24 volt PoE power. That is achieved through the WAN port only. Cannot connect to these LAN ports PoE power. It is not passed through. PoE power does not come out of the LAN Ethernet ports. These are all 100 megabit Ethernet ports. The WAN port takes 24 volt PoE power in place of the 12 volt DC adapter if you want to power this router remotely with power over Ethernet. 24 volt DC PoE power. There's also a QR code on the bottom of the router label. That QR code will take you to our website where there are manuals on setup, configuration, and so forth, and we are adding to that as much as we can, as often as we can. The NEXR5GO cellular gateway router, ready for you today at thewirelesshaven.com. Thank you.